Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to remove powered by Shopify from your website or your e-commerce online store. So first of all you have to log in your dashboard, Shopify dashboard. So I have created this tutorial in my website e-commerce thesis. Also I am going to right now record this video how you can do this. So following this guideline, first of all I need to go to my Shopify dashboard. So here is my Shopify dashboard. Okay, so after go to this section, let me go to my dashboard. Okay, this is my dashboard. Then I have to go to my online store and theme section. So online store, then here the theme section. Then I have to click on the action and choose edit code. So I'm going to click on the action and choose the edit code. Okay, so after that I have to go to the section folder and open folder liquid. So I'm going to section folder, section, and this is the folder liquid, footer liquid, sorry, footer liquid. Then I have to find out this code. I have to find out this code, and then I have to remove this code. So first of all I'm going to find out this code, this here and here. So let me check my website right now. This is my website that I am working right now for demo purpose. So here is my website name, and here is the tags powered by Shopify. I wanted to remove this tag, so now I'm going to remove this and this. So then click on the save, save it. Now refresh my website, it's removed. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel, and if you need any Shopify related services, then you can contact with me. I can help you or assist you. Thank you.